Planning a getaway? Explore these top-rated day trips near Quito, featuring breathtaking views, cultural landmarks, and outdoor adventures for all.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Venture into the historical heart of Quito, Ecuador, an ancient metropolis dating back to the 16th century. As you traverse its cobblestone streets, immerse yourself in the city's rich colonial heritage, featuring a blend of architectural styles, reflecting both old-world charm and contemporary flair. For those seeking less crowded experiences, venture beyond the bustling core to discover hidden gems, such as the bustling flea market, which offers a unique glimpse into daily life within this vibrant community. Indulge in the culinary delights by dining at 4 of our recommended street food stalls, each serving up traditional fare with a twist. Quito often presents itself as an intriguing destination accessible to foreign visitors. However, a tailored private tour offers unparalleled access and personalization. Engaging with a knowledgeable local guide ahead of time, visitors receive a comprehensive understanding of their preferences and cultural nuances. This intimate experience ensures that each visitor explores only those areas most aligned with their interests, thereby maximizing their engagement with the unique aspects of Quito's vibrant urban landscape. Guided tours provide deeper insights into local life, offering a richer perspective compared to solo exploration. Upon waking early in the morning, guests will be picked up from their accommodations in Quito, ensuring they are well rested for the day's adventure. A head transport will then be arranged in an air-conditioned van or all-terrain vehicle, driving them towards the Mindo Cloud Forest Ecological Reserve. At an elevation of approximately 1,900 meters above sea level, visitors will embark on a scenic journey through picturesque landscapes. As the route winds its way uphill, stops will be made at various viewpoint locations, offering breathtaking vistas of lush greenery below. Starting from Independence Plaza, proceed towards the imposing Independence Monument, which serves as both the city's cathedral and the residence of the Archbishop. Following this, visit Carondelet Palace, where you can observe its historical significance and explore the role it has played in Ecuador's political landscape. Continue on the route to La Compañía de Jesús, a stunning Jesuit church adorned with volcanic stone facades and intricate interiors made entirely of gold leaf. Here, delve into the university atmosphere and immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of the region. Embark on an unforgettable culinary adventure through Quito's vibrant nightlife, beginning at the charming Gallery District, where you can immerse yourself in the artistic atmosphere by sampling handcrafted cocktails alongside talented artisans. Following this, indulge in the bustling markets where local cab drivers gather for a satisfying meal en route to their nightly assignments, savoring authentic regional delicacies prepared from fresh ingredients sourced locally. Our team has meticulously curated an exclusive culinary adventure centered around the vibrant street food scene of Quito with a focus on authenticity and flavor. This tour offers a unique experience where tradition meets innovation. Visitors will indulge in an array of exotic fruits, artisanal juices, succulent seafood dishes, and delectable local favorites, all prepared with meticulous care. The itinerary culminates in a sumptuous selection of premium chocolates, robust coffees, and exquisite cocktails, providing a comprehensive sensory feast. During our 3-hour guided tour, we commence at the northern outskirts of Quito and proceed towards the heart of the city at this strategic location. Located precisely midway through the urban landscape, you shall encounter the renowned Equatorial Monument. Constructed during the 17th century, this landmark marks the demarcation point delineated by pioneering French expeditionary groups' surveying efforts, thereby establishing the official boundary between the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.